Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Here today looking at this 2019 Peterbilt 567 4-axle dump truck with 18-foot dump body from Hall Lane Manufacturing. So over here on the job site today, taking a look at this truck. Got it all ready to work here. Got a few extra options on this one. We got the upper bed lights on there. You can see those little pinhole lights right there along that top rail. We got the little skinny hydraulic tank on there. Dual exhaust on this one with the little shorty stacks. Have it looking good. All aluminum rims. High lift tailgate on this one. Rear plate on there and steerable lift axle. With the 22.5 rims on it. Electric tarp. Dual fuel tanks. Upgraded front suspension with the Yokohama 315s. Has this thing riding nice and high. Massive ground clearance on there. As you can see, we'll go ahead and jump in the cab here. This one has Cummins engine and 18-speed automatic. Definitely a nice combo here. Low miles as well. Full gauge package, lockers, and our standard mechanical control package. And this one also had a sleeper removal as well. So we put the window in there. It's kind of standard on our sleeper removals, but nice clean sleeper removal job. As you can see back there, might not even notice because this one has just a regular flat roof as well. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thanks for viewing. Please visit our website at www.truckstosales or give us a call for more information. Thank you.